Pristine Integrated Farm Resource Limited presents Profitable Pig Farming. My name is Yemi Adesina, and I'm the CEO of Pristine Integrated Farm Resource Limited. Today, I would like to welcome you to Pristine Integrated eLearning website, a step-by-step online training towards profitable pig farming. This e-learning training covers everything you need to transform your ideas from conception through to a profitable pig farm. Each topic is carefully selected, crafted, and presented via a short video. Lecturing, and practical demonstration. There's also PowerPoint slides and lots of written notes accompanying. This really serves as a handy and valuable resource for the more experienced. You can access the site by clicking on the link below, or you can enter this will take you to our homepage, and click on our Enroll Now button, and that should take you to our checkout page. On our checkout page, you will be able to use your coupon to take advantage of the discount that we are currently offering. Once you've entered your coupon, the final price will be reflected, and you can then proceed to make payment. While you're on this page, you can see all the other benefits that comes with your payment. 10 hours of lectures on technical know-hows of running pig farming, 12 hours videos of step-by-step practical demonstration of pig farm routines. Don't forget to take advantage of the 2 hours webinar session with me on the 26th of September 2020. Including this is also the PowerPoint presentation slides and certificates of completion. You will also be entitled to 30% off our profitable pig farming book and 40% off our next 2 days profitable pig farming should you choose to attend. Once you make your payment, you automatically have access to the training. Once you are at our homepage, you can scroll down to see the course curriculum. Each section of the course is designed in bite size. That is, it is easy to master each topic in detail. You can go through our course step by step, or you can go straight to any topic that you choose for a quick reference. Who is this e-learning training for? This training is designed for farm owners, farm managers, diaspora who are contemplating of starting a pig farm in Africa. It is designed for those who are new to pig farming and needed to know how to start a successful pig farm. It is also designed for those who are already rearing pig but would like to turn their farm into a commercial pig farm. This training is particularly designed for those who are not physically able to attend our 2 days profitable pig farming training in Africa, but would like to participate in this training remotely in the comfort of their house. We believe that the current lockdown has changed the way people are educated, and we believe that farming is not exempted from online learning in the 21st century. We look forward to welcoming you to Pristine e-learning website, a step-by-step online training towards profitable pig farming.